Hi everyone, welcome back to Reaction with Director Carson. For the next Sonic Boom was Season 1, Episode 18. So anyways, enjoy the video. Sonic Boom. Dr. Eggman's tomato sauce. Nice playing, Tails. Good job.
We're heading to Medburger. Want to come along?
I'm installing an awesome speaker system in my booth. Check it out.
It has the radio of Boo Box. Good one, Tails.
Loves it. You love your plain Tails? Do you love it?
I do.
Oh, that took the one right out of myself.
Well, you guys will excuse me. It's time for her propeller to tail fuselage massage. Okay, now that's just nuts. We're getting you out of here. Thanks for talking me into coming along. It was good for me to get away from the workshop, so I could buy more stuff for my plane.
Free samples! Get your free samples here! Step right up and try the zestiest, lip-smackingest, flavorous...
Dr. Eggman is passing out everyone's tomato sauce.
Eggman's tomato sauce! Made with real tomatoes.
Uh-oh, this isn't good. Hey! You'll thank me later.
Sonic, what are you
You're
doing?
Something, Egghead. Just don't know what it is yet.
You're trying to poison these villagers.
Poison? There's no poison here. Just my patented blend of herbs and spices. Here, I'll try some myself. See? Harmless and delicious. You try.
Yeah, I think I'll pass.
Well, looks like...
I'll try. Well, I'll pass.
He's scared of tomato sauce.
Oh no, my worst fears have come true.
What's wrong?
It's delicious. It's like my taste buds are swimming in a sea of mouth-watering, tomatoey goodness.
Mmm, tomato sauce sounds delicious.
And let her grow.
I better buy
I'm glad you like it, Sonic.
just to be safe.
It's been hours since I ate the sauce, and I'm feeling totally fine. Find anything on your end?
I've tested for acidity, radioactivity, arsenic, old lace, and mind control serum. It comes up clean every time.
What about brainitis? Did you check for that?
For the last time, Knuckles, there's no such thing as brainitis.
Then how do you explain?
I hate to say it, but, maybe Eggman really has changed?
Tuh, looks billboard to me.
Can I get an autograph?
Sure, kid. Anything for...
Sure, kid. Anything for a fan.
Ah,
When I grow up, I want to be just like you.
Whoa, don't set the bar too high. Not everybody is cut out for the big time. Just look at that Sonic the Hedgehog guy. Whatever happened to him? Is he still
He signed it on the tomato sauce can.
Tails, get this. Oh, come on, seriously? Nothing's going right today. What's going on? I need Tails to fix my communicator.
Hey, get in line, dude. First he's got to fix my headphones.
And my ancient artifact analyzer. And my magic light tube. Sorry, guys. I'm having problems of my own. My brain's been acting funny lately. I've been working on it all night.
Tails, are you gonna fix Sonic's communication?
And then you can get back to the repairs.
Can we go to Medburger instead? I'm sick of that stuff.
Come on, Sonic, I thought you like it. What the heck? Is that a robot tomato sauce can? Oh no, that's a good.
How do they do it? The secret ingredient is mayonnaise.
Welcome back to a very special edition of the Comedy Chip Show. Live from Dr. Eggman's evil lair. Thanks for having me, CC.
Well, you've got to be kidding.
So, Dr. Eggman, you're a successful supervillain. Why the switch to celebrity chef? Well, Comedy Chimp, honestly, I just needed a change. Hosting Sonic week in and week out had become tedious. It was time for a real challenge.
Okay, that's enough.
And what's the deal with his haircut? I feel like I'm getting attacked by a blue pineapple.
Sonic, there's no power button.
You know, because your head has those pointing things on it.
Now I'm told you have a very special announcement for our viewers at home. That's right, Cece. You see, in just a few short weeks, I've gotten cans of Eggman's tomato sauce into every home and business in town. But Sonic and his friends assumed I poisoned the tomato sauce. Can you believe that? That's just...
What the heck? What is Dr. Eggman talk
All
about?
right. My sauce was never tainted. It was the cans they should have been looking out for. That's great. Wait, what? While you people had your backs turned, my cans have taken control of all your electrical devices.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Those are all like robots' furnitures, so as tomato sauce can.
They all laughed when I said our appliances would turn against us. But who's laughing now?
You?
Why would I be laughing? This isn't funny. You got a sixth sense of humor.
Let's do this.
Take this, you Bobo trash! No, it can't be.
Huh? Tails plane? How the heck did it do that?
Tails, we gotta destroy that plane.
No, we can't. Let me talk to her. I know I can reach her. Wait, it's me, Tails. Remember all the good times we've had together?
Tails flashback.
What?
You guys go on and stop that man without me. I'm gonna stay back and save my plane.
Good luck.
So the doctor tells me it wasn't an infection at all. I just sat on a raisin. Good one. If you get me out of here, I'll send you up with a nice box of rigatoni.
Huh?
This is a closed set, you know. Really sorry about the lack of...
Dr. Eggman, Sonic and his friends here are going to stop this tomato sauce can robots.
Well, I beg to differ.
Oh, now I get it.
I'm right here. Why don't you come and get me?
Alright, Tails planes. You want Tails? Come and get him.
Could you please not do that?
You should try it. Lair-grown spices really make a difference.
Sorry, Knuckles can't help himself. It tastes so good.
Not bad for a blue pineapple.
What are you doing? Pull up! Pull up! Got it!
You saved the plane, Tails. Oh yeah.
Great to have you back, old friend. Let's go cancel Eggman's show. Knuckles, give me a boost.
You did it, Sticks. Is that robot dead? Or not? How's it still alive?
Face it, you blue-haired blockhead. I've got this thing in the bag. Victory for Eggman!
Somebody call for backup? Hey, give that back!
Tails, finish him.
You may have won this round, but no matter. I got a warehouse full of thousands more of these evil robotic cans of sauce.
The camera watch that, yeah. Sonic Boom, Season 1, Episode 18, Dr. Eggman's Tomato Sauce, The End. So everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe so I'll make some more videos. So, goodbye.